Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your environment and data so you can iterate fast. Create a virtualenv, install PyTorch or TensorFlow with matching CUDA drivers if you have a GPU, and verify GPU availability. Once done, load your dataset and perform cleaning. Remove duplicates, normalize values, and encode categorical fields. Make sure to split into train, validation, and test sets, commonly 80/10/10, so you can evaluate generalization. Then define input shape and baseline metrics to guide model choices. Now you design the network and implement the training loop so learning actually happens. Decide on layer types and sizes, activation functions, and add dropout or batch normalization for stability. Explain why each choice affects capacity and generalization. Implement forward pass, compute loss, call backward, and perform optimizer. Step: include a scheduler to adjust learning rate. Once done, run validation at each epoch, log accuracy and loss, and save checkpoints so you can resume or compare experiments easily. Finish by thoroughly evaluating and preparing the model for deployment so it's reliable in production. Run final tests and compute metrics like precision, recall, and F1. Inspect confusion matrices for class-specific failures. Then optimize and export the model. Quantize or convert to torch script/tf saved model, and package in a container or server for inference. If things go wrong, first check for data leakage or mislabeled samples, then tune learning rate or batch size. Often swapping optimizer or adding more data fixes stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.